Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogeneous Ideas. In this tutorial, I want to quickly show you some platforms that will allow you to host your Django project for free. Okay, so none of these platforms paid me to do this video or asked for endorsement or something like that. I just based on my own research came up with some platforms that will be useful to you guys. Okay, so let's get into it. The first one will be defang.io. So this particular platform, it's a very simple platform to use, and if you scroll down to the pricing section, if you scroll down to the pricing section, you can see the hobby plan. So you can just get a playground environment where you can host your project, and you see it is free, a maximum of one project, one environment. You can see what their free package is offering you, so you can try this platform out to see if it works for you. You can see the data that you're going to be uploading on this server may be used for AI training, but for a hobby project, I don't think that should be a problem. So that is, and you have Postgres and Redis available in that environment. So I think it would be nice if you check this out to see the how you can host your project here for free. So I think these are some FAQs. You can just check it out. So the second one will be Koyeb. I don't know how to pronounce it. So you can see this is the platform, high performance infrastructure for microservices, for computer vision, for full stack applications, whatever you want to host. Just come to Koyeb and check their. If you go under pricing, if you go under pricing, you can see for the starter plan, it's giving you $0 per month. For individuals, you only pay per use. So it has a generous free tier. You can see 1x web service, you have a Postgres, and you have 5x custom domains that you can use. And auto scaling, you can scale to zero. So we also have the CPU and GPU access. You can see the regions where you can host your applications, and you can run interference, API web apps, and all that. So you can just try this out as well. You can, I think it is a pretty good platform, at least where you can get started together with Defang, since it has a platform, it has a package where you don't have to pay anything to start, so you can just check it out. So apart from that, the next one we are going to be checking out is this cloud, this render. So I think render will allow you to host your project for 3 months, and for that 3 months, you also have a database that is free for 3 months as well. Or okay, I don't think the database is free. You have to get the database elsewhere. So you can just check any other tutorial on the channel. I did one recently where you can check out how to see free databases online. You can come here and check this particular tutorial over here. By the time you're watching this video, there might be others covering it up, but just check this tutorial out. So that is it for render. So you can just come down. If you come to the pricing section, you will see some more information about the cost implication of this platform. So you can see the hobby plan for personal project and small scale applications. So you can deploy full stack apps in minutes. So fully managed data stores. So this has database that you can use for 90 days, I think. So and it's Postgres, and you also have Redis available in this server. So you can just check it out. Just check it out. So if this will work for you. Now, one of my favorite is DigitalOcean. So DigitalOcean allows you to host your project. They will give you credit. So depending on how many services you use the credit on. But from my usage, I think the credit will be able to last you for 2 3 months. I think so. So all you have to do is to sign up. You sign up, and as a new user, I think for a particular free tier, you'll be able to get some credit. With the credit, you deploy a droplet. A droplet is basically a server. So with the server, you install all the dependencies, you configure your SSL, you configure the static files and all that, you install Nginx, you install pretty much everything you need. Then after that, you'll be able to host your Django application on this server. I love to use DigitalOcean. I love it. It is very nice, and I love the flexibility that comes with it. You are in control of everything that happens to the application basically. So if you come under pricing, you will see the free tier. If you come under pricing, So this is the pricing. This is Gen AI platform, Kubernetes, load balancers. Okay, you can see. Um, just create an account. You will get free credits that you can use on any on I think most of their services, if not all. So after doing that, um, you add a droplet. Then after adding the droplet, which is a server, you just upload your Django project on that particular server. So the next one is Amazon Web Service free tier. Okay. So this Amazon Web Service free tier, I think they allow you to host your project for 1 year. There is an EC2 instance that you can do that with. This EC2 instance, okay, 12 months free. So for 1 year, you'll be able to host your Django project. So you have 750 hours per month of Linux or any of these other servers that you can use. So I prefer to use Linux servers actually. So basically, you configure the server, everything, basically the database, anything you have to do, you configure it on the server. You launch your Django project. So using this particular platform. Then, second to the last one, we have Python Anywhere. I think you'll be able to host your project for a month or 3 months on Python Anywhere. So that is it. And within a period of that of those 3 months, you must ensure that your like there is no downtime. Like if within a space of 1 week nobody visits the application or makes any request, I think they will turn the application off or they will put it to a pause or something like that. So I know for sure you can host your project here for a month or 3 months. I know for sure. So just check it out. If this works for you, that is fine. So that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or you require any additional information, please, the comment section is open and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.